Thank you for choosing iSpring's reusable spin-down sediment water filter. These filters are designed to clear your water of particulates, sediment, rust, and other water pollutants to protect appliances such as water heaters, washing machines, and other downstream pipes and equipment from possible damage. In this video, we will show you how to install and operate your new filter system. iSpring provides the basic WSP series, the WSP-SL series with anti-scale filter media, and the premium WSP-GR series reusable spin-down sediment water filter. Each series has a variety of micron size options, and we recommend using the comparison chart to ensure you have the right filter for your source water. Before we begin, please check that all parts were included in the package and that you have all the required tools on hand. This system must be installed in a dry indoor environment away from heat sources. This system is only suitable for municipal tap water and well water within the temperature range of 40 degrees to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not allow wastewater or corrosive liquids to pass through the filter. The filter must be installed upright. Be sure the water flow direction marked on the valve body is the same as the direction of water flow within the pipeline. The installation location must provide reliable drainage. The frequency that the filter screen will need to be flushed will depend on the quality of the water passing through the screen. It may be necessary to flush the filter screen at least once every week. The unit comes with two types of threads on both ends, a 1-inch male NPT and a 3/4-inch female NPT. This is to ensure the proper fit for different plumbing sizes. In this video, we will demonstrate with push-fit connectors. We are committed to providing you with quality, reliable products and services. Please contact us if you have any questions or concerns. Installation. Step 1. Shut off the main water line and open the nearest faucet to drain the water from the pipe and release any pressure. Step 2. Find a suitable location for the filter. Measure and cut the water inlet pipe. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 3. Apply plumber's tape evenly on the machine head threads and screw the connectors to the threads. Tighten the connectors with a wrench. Step 4. Mount the bracket on the wall and install the filter to the pipeline. Please make sure the water flow direction arrow on the machine head matches the direction of the water flow within the pipeline. Step 5. Connect the drain hose to the drain connector. Step 6. Connect or insert the drain hose to a drain pipe or a drain hole. Step 7. Turn on the main water line. Make sure there are no leaks and that the filter is working properly. Maintenance and filter replacement. To ensure filter performance, we recommend flushing the filter at least once per week. Be sure the drain pipe or drain hole is not blocked or clogged. To flush, simply turn the drain switch to the vertical position and let the water drain for a few seconds. Turn the drain switch to the horizontal position to shut off the drain valve when finished. To replace a filter cartridge, shut off the main water line and open the nearest faucet to drain the water from the pipe and release pressure. Step 1. Drain out the water inside the filter by turning the drain valve switch to the vertical position. Step 2. Remove the drain hose from the drain connector. Step 3. Unscrew the filter housing counterclockwise using the included housing wrench. Use a bucket to catch any remaining water from the pipe. Step 4. Remove the filter cartridge from the housing and clean it with a brush and soak it in vinegar. After the filter cartridge is cleaned, reinstall the cartridge to the filter housing. Step 5. Carefully line up the filter housing with the machine head and turn it clockwise to screw on the housing. Tighten it with a housing wrench. Step 6. Reinstall the drain hose to the drain connector. Step 7. Turn on the main water line. Make sure there are no leaks and that the filter is working properly. Congratulations! Your iSpring reusable spin-down sediment water filter is ready for use. Please adjust the flushing interval according to the quality of your source water. Refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.